I recently had someone ask me a question, and I immediately knew I had to turn it into a video because it was a different angle of perspective that I never really considered. And they quite simply asked me, is beard butter for today or for tomorrow? And I've deeply thought about beard butter. I've helped develop beard butters. I have my routine every single day with beard butter, but I never really thought about it in that regard. And to give you a straight up clear answer, I would say it depends. Now, I know that sounds like I'm like bailing and not giving a full commitment. It really does depend on your preference and your needs. I'll explain what I mean by that, you guys, but quick little welcome here. Thanks for checking the video out. My name is Dan C. Bearded, and on this channel, we cover every angle of beards, whether it's beard products, whether it's beard grooming routines and trimming or perspective. If it relates, my goal is to cover a video on it. If that sounds good to you guys and you like that type of content and you're not already, please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. And if everybody could take a split second to hit the thumbs up, the like button on this video, it is appreciated. Shout out to those returning subscribers. You guys really do a lot to help out what we are doing here. So let's get into it. I grabbed the butter that I used last night, which is Johnny Ray. Absolutely obsessed with this. If you have any kind of preference like my own, this is some of the best beard butter in the world. And I do have to show this. It has nothing to do with the video, but how freaking cool. And this maybe could be a video in the future if we found it interesting enough. Here is the base beard butter from Johnny Ray. I did help develop this very proudly and was able to reformulate and get the consistency. That's the base right here. Here is the Frankenmuth beard butter, which is the same company, the same ingredients, the same everything, other than the essential oils. This has an essential oil called Blue Tansy. This does not. This one is, I believe, Grand Blanc, so it has like grapefruit and peppermint in there. But to show you how massive of a difference an essential oil can make in the color right here, and I probably will make this into a video because I have people ask me, hey Dan, I ordered this oil from the company and it's different color than the other one I had. That shows you guys perfectly right there. How cool is that? I love it. Okay, so I used this last night. My routine is I shower at night and in the morning, but I shower at night, dry my beard to a damp-like state, apply beard oil, wait 3 to 5 minutes. I don't use heat at night because I'm not styling to go to bed, and I use heat in the morning. I don't recommend more than once or twice. This is the part of the video where I throw in like little gems in case you didn't hear them. Don't miss that information. So damp beard, oil, wait, and then I apply beard butter. And then lately, as you guys know, if you caught my video last week, I put my beard up into a beard bun or a beard knot, whatever you want to call it. And then I go to bed. Usually I'll watch some TV or do some work, so I'm not immediately putting my head down to the pillow. And then when I wake up in the morning, I shower, or at least if it's before the gym, thoroughly rinse my beard, and it feels amazing. My beard this morning was incredibly soft. Now it was wavy and crazy because I took it out of that beard bun, but from the butter that I used from Johnny Ray, my beard was just, I literally could take, and I've got a long beard and my beard gets curly, my beard gets tangly and snags. I literally took the beard bun out, no comb or anything. My hand just like this, straight, let me make sure we're styled here, straight through the beard. Unbelievably soft. So, to get to the answer of this question, for me, beard butter is for tomorrow. And I've really never thought about it like that. I don't use beard butter for the day of. I'm not using it so my beard feels or looks or even really smells a certain kind of way at night. That's not my intended purpose. I'm doing it so my beard is healthy. My beard is getting those long chain fatty acids from the solid butter that we have in here. It's that good fat that our beard needs. And then in the morning, it's going to be less tangly. It's going to feel nourished. It's going to feel soft. So I am using butter for the next day. However, that is what I do. That is not the rule. That is not what I'm saying you need to do. I know there's many of you that have that same routine as me. There are people that will use butter for today. And they wear butter during the day. They wear butter at night because they love the scent and it helps them fall asleep. And maybe that is a part of me too, a little bit, but it's not something that I'm super conscious of. But there are people that like to have a little bit of styling from butter as compared to something like Balm. And to take a quick little like sidebar, but relevant, the difference, let's say I had a Balm and a butter. The difference is the butter is primarily for nourishment and possibly adds a little bit of styling or control, but very minimal, if it's a real butter in my consideration. A beard balm is primarily for styling and control, but then secondarily can offer some nourishment. It's like hairspray, but a healthy version that actually helps your beard. That's great. The biggest difference is the amount of wax. Balm has to have a lot of wax to give that hold and styling, usually from beeswax, but there's also plant waxes out there as well. Butter usually does not have wax, however, it can have small amounts. We know that there are some that have under 5% of wax in it, not anywhere near a balm. So it does depend on your purpose, back to again the answer. If you don't want a lot of style, you don't want a lot of firm hold from a balm, but you need a little bit of something for your beard, whether it's the climate, the conditions, or just the preference of how it looks, maybe butter is a great option, right? The Johnny Ray butter is a light, nourishing, melt down immediately in your hand type butter, but it is more than oil, so there could be a different aspect of styling and hold that it brings you. So to wrap this up for kind of a conclusion, beard butter can be for today and or tomorrow, depending on your needs and your use. The first question to leave down below in a comment, what about you? Is beard butter for today, tomorrow, both? Let me know your routine, your thoughts on this, and then what questions do you have? Do you have questions on beard butter, specifically anything like Johnny Ray's beard butter? Do you have questions on the comparison to balm? Do you have questions on when or how to use butter? I'm opening this up to you guys, and I get back to every single one with my genuine best attempt to help you out. Thank you guys so much in advance for those comments and for watching. My name's Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.